Welcome back to Conqueror Connection Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to have a discussion about fridge settings. People tend to want to set their fridges to a -10, -12 degrees on the deep freeze and a 0, maybe even a -1 degrees on the fridge. Because they're going to be away for 10 days, they want to keep the food fresh by setting the fridge as low as possible. That's the biggest mistake we can make. In reality, frozen meat will last 7 to 10 days in your deep freeze with your deep freeze set at -1 degrees. Fridge set at 2 degrees will keep your lettuce, butter, milk, everything fresh for the duration of your trip. With your deep freeze set at -10 degrees and your fridge at -1 or 2 degrees, you won't get 2 to 2.5 days out of your batteries. With those settings, you can easily cut that time in half. Try and pack pre-frozen meats into your deep freeze, or freeze your meat in your deep freeze a couple of days before you leave on your trip. Keep your deep freeze closed as much as possible and eat your chicken, fish, those type of meats first. So while traveling, try to have your cold drinks in a cooler box next to your fridge so that you don't open your fridge every day, 3, 4, 5 times just to get cold drinks out. So the less you open your fridge, the longer your batteries will last.